This is probably our favorite room in the house, the Butler's pantry.
The integrity in this Butler's pantry, you just don't see. I'm really excited to get my hands dirty, start stripping in here, and really restoring this beautiful woodwork.
We're gonna strip all of the upper cabinets. We're saving the wood top. We're reworking the bottom cabinets a little bit because we need to put some appliances into them.
Really excited as we have a new powder room over here. And if you look really closely, you can kind of see writings all over the drywall here, the toilet tank, the plumbing, and that's because in a small space like this, you have to tuck in a lot of things, and we just drew everything out with our team to make sure that everything fits. Who doesn't want an extra bathroom on a parlor floor? It is a treat to have. We don't have one in our home, and it is a pain in the ass to go up and down the stairs. So I'm really grateful that they're gonna have this powder room.
Can I show you something really cool that we did to fit this in here? So we have the powder room here, but if you step back this way, you can see that it actually extends out over the stairs. Probably a good foot of extra space that we're getting in this tiny powder room by angling that wall down and having that kind of lip underneath where the sink is going to go. We're going to clad it all in marble so you're not even going to see it's there when you're inside the bathroom.
One of the biggest structural things that we've ever done, the first time for us, is putting an elevator inside a 5-story brownstone. It goes all the way from the garden floor up to the top floor here, and you had to carve that out on every single floor.
This is going to be its own little world when you pass through from the living and dining room into the kitchen.
Yeah, and it also allows us to hide all of the HVAC. We're gonna have minimal slots throughout that will let all of the air both in the kitchen area and into the living and the dining area. Let's head in front. All of these details that are carved into this beautiful woodwork are now revealed. We are going to continue this stripping of the woodwork all throughout this beautiful casing on this pocket door with the most beautiful hardware I've ever seen. We're gonna even bring that down into the low paneling wainscot over here throughout the living and dining area. Welcome to the primary floor. This is gonna open up to the primary bedroom. Just finalized the design for the space, and I cannot wait to reveal it. It is gorgeous. The colors, the tones, the textures, the layers, you name it, it's in this bedroom. It's the primary bathroom. We curved every single wall in this, so you kind of feel like you're in your own little orbit, your own little world in here. And we're gonna marry the tiles and the marble together.
So if you step back through here, in this entire area, this is gonna be the steam shower and tub. And so there's glass here that's gonna completely enclose this area. And where it is curved at the top, it's gonna be a tile, little 1x6 Kit Kat tile. And everything from here down, including the floor and the bench, is all gonna be slabs of marble. And who doesn't want this enormous window in their bathroom, letting in so much light? And this is the other side of what used to be a pass-through. So we closed it off, and now this used to be a pocket door that opened into that space. And now this pocket door is gonna open to a wet bar for the family room. That's gonna be a really cool pop of color and pattern.
All right, we did a couple of samples, and if you want a sneak peek inside the elevator, come over on this side because we did a really nice big sample of paint on here. Really happy with this pinkish purple color. And we're gonna bring this inside the elevator. Let's head up to the kids' floor, and as we go up, take in this beautiful staircase. It is made with a metal banister, which is quite rare. We're gonna add a wood cap to the top of the metal.
The third floor of the house. 1, 2, 3, fourth floor of the house.
We forget.
And one of the big new additions here are the floors. So we are putting in a floor that is very in keeping with the style of the original floors of this house. in most areas, and then in some areas we're actually replicating it exactly.
I think last time you saw this floor, we were just hanging out on the
There was no way to get up. There's no stairs. One of my favorite things, I don't know why I love this detail so much, but there's this little hallway that you walk down to the ensuite bathroom. And what's really cool about these stripes is they go all the way around the room. We didn't expect for this skylight to be here. This is something that we found during demo. Then one of the other things that is a big part of what you might see on this floor is this staircase.
I just want you guys to sneak in here because tile has been installed in this really beautiful variation with the Carrara and the green marble. And then we incorporated the border all the way throughout the shower onto the vanity wall over here. Our clients have 2 kids, and this is the daughter's room. So we're gonna have her bed over here, and we're gonna have built-ins on either side of the bed. We strategically thought about the lights next to the bed here, and we're adding some bold color, some wallpaper. It's gonna be a really cute sanctuary.
You can see the parquet, and you can see the beginnings of the border that we're putting in that other room.
We continue the arch theme above the bathtub here. So you kind of see this theme going throughout the bedroom into her bathroom over here.
So when you're walking in this bathroom, it's gonna be like you're walking on water. You are walking on this beautiful lily pond. It's all completely custom.
This mosaic tile was made by artist Allison Eden, who is a local artist here in New York. Truly one of a kind that is made specifically for this house.
All right, so this is the end of month 8. How many more do you think we have left?
Hopefully not 8 more months. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Bye everyone.